Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to play Sound Shapes. And I was told it's an old game. I don't know. I like it. Let's begin. I've already done level 1. Love the music. I think we're gonna move on to level 2. The last time I recorded this, it was really bad. I'm gonna do it over. Just for you guys. Alright. Bam. Beatboxing. So a while ago, my husband John, burned, just dead. Oh no. It's okay, survived this time. Anyway, my husband John was like, you know what, you play too much Binding of Isaac. You should probably play something that you haven't played before. And I saw this, and I was like, hell yeah. Why? Because look how adorable he is. Look, just look. I can even, like, go around in circles, see? It's awesome. Boom. Boom. And it has music. Come on now, who doesn't like music? Well, I'm sure there are a few people who don't like it, but still. Oh, whoa, that was close. I find this game totally captivating. And I love it. Yeah. And it's kind of sad because I really wish that I didn't have to wear the headset because Tio really likes the music. And right now he can't hear anything because I have to wear the headset. Oh well. Bam! Oh, that was close. Oh yeah. Oh, ow. And my son just rammed my knee with his car. And I'm just gonna say it hurt a lot. So, of course, I'm over here dying. Oh, man. Boop. And, there was no reason. He just, decided to run into my knee. That was it. Whee! Oh, whoops. You know, I always do that. Without fail. Oh, I should probably tell you a little bit of details. Okay, so red stuff is bad. That means you will most likely vanish into a puff of steamy smoke. Oh, like that. Bam, bam, bam. Alright, just a little bit of adjustment. Bam! Alright, better. Bam! Bam! Oh, oops. Here we go. Oh, man. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, that was so close. Ah. So nice. Oh yeah. And you can pretty much grip onto anything when you're in this, like, what is this, like a little cell. It's got like the outer layer, but if you press X, then you become like the super speedy tire rim. More like a rim. Which you do need if you plan on jumping far enough to make it to the other platform. As such, deal. Jump. Jump up here. And drop down, and bam! Bing! Yeah. Alright. And that was it. Cleared the stage. Oh, well, and it's sending me in. Alright, that was it. Thank you all for watching, and see you on the next episode. Bye!